What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and this is going to be part one on how you guys can make money while you're at work. So all you're going to need for this is a Facebook account and an eBay account, and that's it. As you guys can see the screenshot right here, that's the earnings I've gotten in the last 2 days by doing this method right here. So you're going to be able to make at least $50 a day in profit doing this method.
What's up, everybody? Want to learn exactly what I am selling and everything else I do to make money? Check out now v2course.com, and don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
So this is going to be good and bad depending on what type of job you have. So if you have something like this whole little Amazon get up here, you guys know obviously you drive around all day, there's no one constantly on you. So if you slip over here, go pick up something, as long as you get your packages and everything all done, you're normally pretty good. Versus if you are like at a gas station or a factory or something like that, or somewhere that you have to stay in a building, you're going to miss out on a lot of sales and a lot of deals, and a lot of money, because again, if someone comes along, like every single person is going to hold an item for you, they're just going to sell it to whoever comes first. So if you are, again, you have a job or whatnot where you can move around, it's going to be a lot better for you. But if not, either way, you can still make some decent money doing this here. You just go pick up everything once you get off work. I recommend doing this with phones, video games, stuff that's actually going to move really quickly, because you don't want to do this with stuff that's not going to things that's not going to sell quickly. Because let's say, for example, you get something, and you put it up there and then it doesn't sell quickly. And then on Facebook Marketplace, it already sold, right? So then now when it really does sell, you go back to check on Facebook Marketplace, already sold, and all that stuff or whatnot. So make sure you pick products that actually are going to sell, or worst case scenario, if you pick something, that a lot of people don't want, it's just not going to sell at all. All right. But that is one downside to this method right out the gate, is that, like, say you pick an iPhone or whatever, you take pictures from over to Facebook Marketplace, screenshot them, crop them, and then you just upload them straight to eBay. And then, once you get a sale on eBay, you would go buy the phone, and then from there, boom, right? So you're not losing any money when you do this method if you decide to not buy it. But if you do buy it and then you sit and hold on it, obviously you'll be able to sell it. But if you don't buy it, and let's say you just keep pushing the the seller off, like, oh, I'll be there tonight, I'll be first thing in the morning, and you keep dragging it out, there will come a time to where they just sell it, and then when again it sells on eBay, you're pretty much done. All right, so quick recap or whatnot, because I know the first part was a little all over. Again, you go to eBay, create an account. You go to Facebook, create an account, or obviously if you already got both of those, you're good to go. Then you're going to go over to Facebook Marketplace. You're going to look for products. Once you find a product, you're going to screenshot it and then crop it to make it look like you took the picture. So you don't want to have Facebook's little logos and the little X or whatnot to X out the photo. You don't want any of that in there. Crop everything out to make it look like you took the photo. Then you're going to take all of those photos, upload it over on eBay, and then you're normally going to get a sale that first day, depending on what you're selling, of course. If you're selling something that people actually want, it's going to sell really fast. So if you made it this far in the video, I'll just give you a big one: iPhones, right? Go for broken iPhones, because people, when they see an iPhone that's broke, normal people don't want them. They're like, nope, I'm good on that. Screen costs too much money to fix, and it's just a huge pain. Nope, I'm good on that. I don't want anything to do with the screen being broken, especially if it's damaged where it won't turn on. No. A lot of normal people, they're good on that. They're not even going to waste their time with that. So you can beat that seller down. Hey, look, screen is extra beat up. It's going to cost this amount to get fixed. I can give you $60 for it right now. Then literally take that same exact phone and flip it for $200 over on eBay. Easy money, right? So tell you guys, if you have not got into this whole flipping from Facebook to eBay, definitely recommend you do that. And this is part one on how you can make money by just being at work. So this is something you can do on your break, something you can do on your way to work, depending on if you're driving or not. But again, you guys get the point. Easy way to make money while you're at work.